Legends of Learning presents the Disassemble and Reassemble with Tita game.
Looks like a large column made up of cubes to be able to build a
This
bridge.
is a math game that makes learning about objects built from smaller pieces fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, accompany the turtle Tita to look for her brother Tito. Along the way, she encounters different challenges to assemble and disassemble objects and create new ones.
To create a new one.
Use the mouse to click on different objects, to then use the correct pieces of resources to complete tasks to progress further. Drag and drop items in the correct places to complete each challenge to rescue Tito.
How will we get the wood from these trees, the woods into the marked area?
Learn more about how items and objects can be reused in different ways. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game.
Then we
Have
have to
fun
plant new
and
trees
enjoy
to care for the
playing.
environment. Come on.